Okay, so I'm going to work today on a change this thing for the sway bar. Duralast chess. I guess this is the part number or something. Okay, so the old one is like so hard plastic, and it's even missing one of the pieces here, and you can see it here. It's missing one of the rubber bushings already. So we're gonna work today with a 15, 30mm, and 15 on the gun. So we need to take this part off. So I'm gonna go on the truck. So video is gonna be kind of upside down. I'll try to show you guys. Okay, just like so. So not on top, just take everything down, and you will see it's so bad. This is where the new one's supposed to go to. So we need to jack this thing up a little bit. Taking the jack. Taking our apart. I need to buy a thread locker here. I don't have it, but I think it's recommended big time. So this is how it should looks like it. So when you take this whole thing apart, on the bottom, take this thing, and then taking okay, taking your gun and the number 30 and the gun. This. Let's take the jack off. And let's tie it more. So, you know, I don't even know how many pounds it's supposed to be, so I did something just like this. So we're all set here.